How to make a brochure in Canva 2023 step by step. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to show you how to make a professional brochure in Canva, the graphic design platform used by millions of people worldwide. Brochures are a great way to showcase your business, your products, or your services with Canva. You don't need any prior design experience to create a stunning brochure that will impress your audience. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of creating a brochure step by step, from choosing the right template to adding your own design, like images and text, and we'll also show you how to customize your brochure's colors and fonts and how to export it as a high-quality PDF that is ready to print or share online. So, let's get started. The first thing you're going to have to do is, of course, go to canva.com. You're going to have to create an account if you don't have an account yet. But if you already have, and this is what you would be seeing. Right now, we are at the home page of Canva. Now, since we're going to make a brochure, what we're going to do is we're going to click on our search bar over here, and we're simply going to type in brochure. By typing this, we would be able to view all the different brochure templates that is available in Canva. By clicking this button over here, we would be able to check out the different templates. As you can see here, brochure templates. And over here below, you would be able to see all the different templates that you could use and borrow from Canva. You can simply choose from one of these many templates for you to use, depending on what type of brochure you are trying to make. For example, you're trying to make a brochure for a business or for a product. It's going to depend on what type of brochure you would like to have, and you should choose your brochure template according to the topic of your brochure. For example, we have this brochure template over here. We could click this and we would be able to preview our template over here. As you can see, also there are two pages. In a brochure, there are two pages because they are usually back-to-back printed. And as you can see here, this is the front page and this is the back page over here. Now, once you've chosen the template that you would like to use, you can simply click on customize this template over here, and we would be able to customize this specific template that we have right now. If you don't want to use any of this template, if you would like to start from scratch, you can simply click on create a blank brochure over here, and we would be redirected to the editing page. And as you can see here, we have a blank canvas, and you would be able to start creating your brochure from scratch. If you do change your mind, over here on the left side, you can see that we have templates under the design here. If ever you change your mind, you could still select from the different templates over here. You simply click on the template, for example, this one, and click on this, and as you can see, you would be able to use this specific template that you have chosen. Now over here, from the original template that we have selected, as you can see here, we have our two page. And now over here, right, like I said earlier, this is the editing page of Canva. If you could observe also, if you hover your mouse over the different elements available on a template, you could notice that you could edit every single part of this. As you can see here, when you click this, you would be able to edit the content of this section. Now, what you're going to do next is simply get the idea or the topic that you would like to have for your brochure. For example, we're going to have a brochure for ocean travel. Now, the original template is for adventures on the earth, and so we're going to change this to the ocean. The first thing we're going to change is, of course, the images over here. Now, I'm simply going to click this, and I'm going to click on backspace, and I would be able to delete the specific photo that is uploaded on this specific frame. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on elements over here on the left side. I could also upload photos over here or videos. If you have any pre-existing photo that you would like to have for your brochure, you could simply upload it here on the uploads, or you could also add text over here, which has different font styles and font variation that you could use for your brochure. Right now, we're not going to touch the different types of fonts right now, but we're going to edit the text later on. First, we will be focusing on the photo over here. We're going to click on elements, and of course, we're going to search for maybe scuba diving, because that is related to ocean exploration. And we're going to click on see all images over here, and as you can see, we have all of this image over here. You can simply choose the image that you like. For example, we have this one over here. I'm going to drag this into the frame over here. As you can see, we have the photo into this section. I could also double click this and I could adjust the crop over here. Then click on done, just like that. Now we have a very simple photo of our ocean over here. Now we're going to do the same thing for this 3 photos over here. We're going to search for ocean this time, ocean. Just like that, we're going to click on photos, and just like earlier, we could choose any of these options that we have. For example, I'm going to go with this one over here. I could drag this into the section, and as you can see, we have our photo over here. You could delete this text in front of it as well, just like that, so that we have a clean photo. And now we could also search for a photo for this 3rd frame over here. For example, we're going to go with this turtle over here. And just like that, we have replaced all the different photos that we have. Now what you're simply going to do next is, of course, change the background color. You're going to click this, click on the colors over here, and you can change it to different colors over here. As you can see, we're changing the colors right now. We are going to settle with this color for the meantime, a dark blue. You could change and choose from the different colors. When you click on this button over here, you could choose from different colors over here. And if you have a code in mind, you can simply put it in this section over here. Right now, we're going to stick with a dark blue, just like that. And after that, we're going to select this element as well, and we're going to change this color. This is a different elements. Basically, this is a shape taken from the elements and then put it in, and then place inside the brochure canvas over here. Over here on the bottom, we're also going to change this to dark, just like that. And as you can see, our brochure is now completely different from the original design. Not super different, but as you can see, it's a bit unique or has a different theme color. Now, what you're simply going to do next is also change the text. Over here, we have our title. You're going to change this to ocean-related topic. Over here, depending on what your title is, this is where you're going to put in your title. You can also add a mini description over here and an information over here. To change this color, you're simply going to highlight this, and then you're going to click on text color over here on the top, and you're going to choose the color that you would like it to be changed. As you can see here, it is now currently black. You could add your description over here, a mini description about your brochure, your book adventure over here. Do the same thing as earlier. We could change this to black, which is not a good idea because our background is also black, so we're going to stick with white. You could put in your column, your number over here, your email, and over here below, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to select our background. We're going to change it to blue, just like that, and we're going to select our individual elements, and we're going to change it the way we did it over here on the top part. We're going to click on our elements over here, just like that. We could change our elements color, just like that. Now, if you're having a hard time selecting the different layers, for example, you would like to edit this, but you have, for example, maybe a text on the way and you have a hard time clicking on the specific photo, what you're simply going to do is you're going to click on position, and over here on the left side, we have the different arrangement. You could click on layers, and you would be able to see the different layers on the specific page. As you can see here, you can simply drag and drop them wherever you would like to rearrange them to show which elements are going to have to be on the top. As you can see, for example, we're going to go with this example over here. I could put it on top of our photo and it's going to overlap our photo. Now we're going to put it back in its original formation, just like that. And you could also click on overlapping. You would be able to see all the different elements that are overlapping with each other, so that you would be able to easily monitor which elements are overlapping. Now we're going to change the color of this for a bit so that it's going to fit our design, just like that. And now we have a very simple brochure over here. We're going to change this font color to white or black, just like that. And over here, simply you're going to put in the information that you would like to have, informations like about your brochure, about your business, or whatever your topic is. And if you also notice, there is a line like this line over here and another line over here. This indicates that this is the section where you will be folding your page, and you would be able to create your brochure by folding it like that, by following these lines over here. Now, after editing both your page, you can simply click on share over here on the top right, and you can click on download, and you could download this as either a PNG, or you could click this and download it for PDF standard, which is best for documents, or PDF print over here, which is best for printing. And after that, you're simply going to click on download and you're simply going to print your brochure now on your paper. And that's it guys, that's how you can create a brochure in Canva. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.